Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Hacoo. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here you will search about Hacoo app and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next